Hey guys, today we are working on Unit 8, Lesson 6, and this is mean absolute deviation, which is also referred to as MAD. This is basically just figuring out how much the data points deviate from the mean. Remember, mean is the average. If you're having a hard time remembering these vocabulary words, you should absolutely be studying them. And we are going to get started. So if you look at this, so for the MAD, an average each data point is, okay, so the mean is right here at 5. So how far in absolute value is this from the mean? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps away, and this one is 1, 2, 3, 4 steps away. It's basically just figuring out how much our data deviates from the mean. For some reason, I cannot pause. Okay, so here we go. Our input model. The data shows the scores Lisa received on her math test. Find the mean absolute deviation. So the first thing we need to do is find the mean. And if you remember, that's when we add up these and divide. We'll divide by 4. So we've got 80, 80, 82, and 82. So I'm going to add these up. Why can't I ever know my 8s? 4 times 8 is 32. So it's 324, but then I have to divide by 4 to get the average or the mean. 324 divided by 4. 4 goes into 32. 32 divided by 4 is 8. I just figured that out. 32, 0, 4, 1. So the mean equals 81. So here's where MAD comes in. All you have to do is figure out how far away 80 is from 81 on a number line. So 80 is 1 away from 81. We just did that. 82 is 1 away from 81. So if I had a number line like this and I had 80 here, 81, and 82 here, 80 is 1 away, 1 step away from 81, and 82 is 1 step away from 81. Okay, so now this is 1 away, they're all 1 away. So now I have to find the mean of those deviations from the mean. 1, 2, 3, 4. I add it and then I divide by how many numbers I have. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 goes into 4 one time. Oops, the mean for that is 1. Or I should say the MAD for that is 1. So that's our MAD and that's our mean. Okay, don't worry, we'll do some more. This is not a concept that you use a lot, but it is expected to be known in 7th grade. So you need to work on this and ask me questions if you have questions. Find the mean absolute deviation. So it says, create a line plot and explain how the MAD helps you understand the data. Actually, I'm going to skip that one and keep going because I only get 15 minutes on these recordings. Okay, find the mean absolute deviation. Step 1 is find the mean for these numbers. So I want the mean for these numbers: 25, 15, 16, 21, and 13. For this, I don't mind if you guys use your calculators because I don't want you getting wrong answers and having like frustration on this. So really all I want you to learn for this lesson is how to calculate mean and MAD. So you can very well use your calculator. So that's what I'm going to do to show you. It's okay. I'm not going to get mad at you. So to find the mean, we have to add all the numbers, the values: 25 plus 15 plus 16 plus 21 plus 13 equals 90. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to divide that by 5, and we get a mean of 18. Now what I have to do is, how far away is 18 and 25 on a number line? Okay. So all you have to do is say 18 in your head. 18, 19, 20, 22, 23, 24, 25. There's 7, 15, 16, 17, 18, 16, 17, 18, 18, 19, 20, 21, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. These are the differences, and it's going to tell me how to do it down here, but this is the easy way to do it. Now, all those differences, the difference between 25 and 18 on a number line, the difference between 15 and 18, now we have to find the mean of those. So I'm going to add all those up. I have 7 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5 divided by, equals 20, divide by 5, you get 4. So that's the MAD. The MAD equals 4. Create a line plot and explain how MAD helps you understand the data set. This means there's a deviation from the mean of 4. So let's go ahead and plot these numbers. I need to include 13 through 25. So I'm just going to start with 13. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. 25 has one, 15 has one, 16 has one, 21, and 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The mean is right here. That means this is the average. But the average of the data points, there is going to be 4, an error, like a difference of 4 back and forth from the 18. This will get easier, just bear with me. So today's final check for understanding, I will go over this in our meeting tomorrow. Just go through, if you're not sure, do exactly what I just showed you on this one. But just go ahead and try exactly those steps. So you're finding the mean of the data set, which is add all those numbers together, divide by however many numbers there are. There's 5 in this one. Then figure out on a number line how far away 18 and 25 are on a number line, how far away they are from 15 and 18. Just on that number line, how far away are they from each other? Then once you get those differences subtract, add all those up. So you're finding the mean to those. Add them all up, divide by the number, and you will get 4. All right. Please have your questions ready. I will go over these with you tomorrow. Thanks for doing your homework, guys.